y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Ipsy spoilers. This is going to be the complete list for your Ipsy Ultimate, your Plus, and your regular glam bag. Now, I am going to make this intro the exact same for all of my videos. I'm just going to copy and paste because I have filmed so many videos here recently and I haven't gotten them all edited, so I am so limited on space, and it would be so much easier if I just copied and pasted the exact same intro in my 3 videos. So whichever the title is saying right now, whether it's the Ultimate, the Plus, or the Glam Bag Regular, that's the video that you're going to be seeing, so it will be indicated in the title and as well in the description and the thumbnail, I'm sure. I do have to say that I am really excited about all of the products that are coming in each one of these boxes or bag. You know, we're just gonna say boxes. I am actually pretty excited about the things that are coming in these boxes, except for I'm highly disappointed in mine. All of mine are not good. Like, there's so many great items that I could have received and I didn't, so I'm a little sad about that. So just to know that I'm gonna be doing a really big giveaway coming up. I did give away all of my items in my Plus box last month, except for one item. I kept the lipstick because it was my choice item. Everything else I gave away, so I'm gonna do a really big collective giveaway coming up this month when I receive all my items. Instead of doing like a separate, here's a giveaway for the Ultimate, here's a giveaway for the Plus, here's a giveaway for the Glam Bag, I'm just gonna combine all of those items and do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. That is going to be really exciting. You guys really enjoyed the last giveaway that I did. I haven't really done a giveaway in a very long time, so now that I'm back in the spirit of doing giveaways, I'm so happy to be doing them. So definitely get excited for that. Definitely 100%, because it'll be coming this month, a very big, massive Ipsy giveaway. So stay tuned. So if you are loving spoiler videos from me because I'm your friendly neighborhood spoiler girl, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed, please do so. It would mean so much to me. I have noticed that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed to me, and that makes my little heart weep so much. So if you would, please turn that red button gray, support me, and I will give you spoilers like always. But you're more aware of when I upload, especially if you hit the little bell notification so you are aware of when I upload, even though YouTube is broken and doesn't tell you for like 3 days that I have uploaded anything, if anything at all. So please like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so we're doing the Glam Bag product. So as you know, Glam Bag is the $12 bag that you get, and these are going to be sample products, deluxe size samples, or the occasional full size. So if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy and you are interested in Ipsy, just know that these are going to be smaller. They're not full size whatsoever. So there we go, we covered that. So the very first thing is from the brand Lasting Smiles. This is a Peach Blossom Lip Balm. So it's just a lip balm, which is great for them dry, cracked lips. Next, we have something from Pixi by Petra. This is the Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. I think they have excellent blushes, actually. I've tried a few of them and I really did enjoy them. So if you got this, you're going to love, and it's a really good size too. So it's not gonna like run out after like a long time. Like it's gonna last you a while. I don't even think I just said my words correctly. Next up, we have something from Verb. This is a hydrating mask. Argan oil, sunflower seed extract, and provitamin B5 help improve hair's elasticity. Oh, okay, so this is for your hair. So yeah, this is great for summer too, because if you're like swimming, your hair is gonna get all gross and dry from the chlorine. You wanna keep it nice and hydrated, especially if you're out in the sun. So yeah, this is something good to have. Next, we have something from Ciate London. This is the Fierce Flicks in Black. I wanna say this is a repeat item from like a long time ago. I feel like we got this already. But I cannot remember. But yeah, just a nice black eyeliner. This is something that retails for $19, and this is going to be a full-size item, so that's very, very good. Next, we have from Scone Cosmetics, Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner in Black. It's another full-size item, which retails for $20, so that's great that we have some full-size eyeliners in here and not some little nubbies. Next, from Space Case Cosmetics, this is an eyeshadow in Intense Stargasm. I think this is actually a really really beautiful color. So if you get this, you are going to love this. It says this pillowy soft eyeshadow is highly pigmented and wears for hours without creasing well. Are you sure? Because us hooded eye people might disagree. Next up, this is from Way of Will. This is the Hand and Body Lotion in Sweet Orange and LMI. This is something that I believe is going to be, or no, it is in the Ultimate box. So this is going to be your deluxe size sample in your Ultimate box. So remember that, but it's just a hand and body lotion. Then we have something from Jijuin. This is an aloe gel sleeping mask. So yeah, editing me put the whole thing in here so I can actually show them what this says because I cannot pronounce that. But yeah, cool. Let's move on. We have something from New Body, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is a Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. You know, I keep seeing lip scrubs. What is up with lip scrubs this month? Like, there's 2 or 3 in the Ultimate, and now here's another one. But yeah, if you are into lip scrubs, they're in the bushel, okay? So many lip scrubs. Now we have something from Benefit Cosmetics, the Roller Lash Mascara in black. I've never tried this mascara, but I would love to. I just know that, you know, people love it. So if you get it, you might love it. I think the wand shape is going to give you a lot of length too. This is from Sela. This is the Creme de la Creme, the very best cream. I also want to say this is a repeat item. We've also been seeing a lot from this brand recently. So yeah, what is this? This is it's just a cream. So there it is, just a cream. Next we have something from First Aid Beauty. This is the Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. So I said recently that I was not really impressed with the brand First Aid Beauty, and you know what? Shockingly enough, a lot of people also agreed that they did not like the products from First Aid Beauty. Like, I hear all of these like beauty gurus love First Aid Beauty, but it does not work with my skin chemistry whatsoever. Like, nothing that I've tried works. And I'm so glad that other people agree. So if you're one of those few people that agree with me, thank you for agreeing. And if it works for you, then that's fantastic. So fantastic. Oh, okay. So this is the Marc Anthony True Professional. I was talking so much goodness about this in the Ultimate. So this is going to be a, spoiler alert, deluxe size sample in the Ultimate. This is going to be amazing. You're going to love it. End of story. Next up from Catherine Malandrino. This is Special Moments. I think this is a perfume. So top notes of citrus, peach, and plum give this perfume a mouth-watering, juicy scent. Middle notes of rosewater and jasmine add a soft floral touch. And then the base notes of amber, vanilla, and musk linger on your skin and give it a hint of warm coziness. I can say I don't ever want a perfume in a subscription box because I'm just so sensitive to different smells and whatnot. But that one actually sounds really good. Like, that one sounds really good. The Gold Fatten MD Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. I want to also say this is a repeat item, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. I might be wrong. But yeah. Here you go. Next up, we have something from Moroccan Magic Clean Beauty. This is a Manuka Honey Lip Balm. So this is the second lip balm that we are seeing. You probably hate to see it, but I love to see it in a $12 box because, you know, chapsticks aren't that cheap. I mean, they're 99 cents, but some really good ones are not cheap. So you get your money's worth when you get a lip balm in the $12 bag. Next up, we have something from WINKY. This is the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Never heard of it. We're just gonna move on to the next. This is from Pure Brazilian, the Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. So if you are a frizzy little Miss Frizz, get it? Because the Magic School Bus. Anyways, then I think you will enjoy this little product. Now we have some items from Pure Lease. So the first one is a matcha green tea plus lemon detoxifying charcoal mask. And then we also have coconut oil plus Plumera silky body butter. So if you're a Pure Lease lover like moi, then you're going to enjoy these. Next we have something from Sorosi. I don't know. This is a Spotlight Eye Cream. Never heard of this brand. If you've heard of it, please let me know. But this is just an eye cream. Then a single shadow from The Balm. This is from the Auto Balm Day to Night palette. This is the shade Lombard Street. Another single eyeshadow from The Balm Cosmetics from the Pick Perf Auto Balm eyeshadow palette. In St. Charles Avenue. And then lastly, another The Balm Cosmetics single eyeshadow from the Day to Night palette in Wall Street. Then something from Tony Moly. This is the I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask, which I did try the calming mask the other day. I dermaplated and shaved my face, and then I put the calming mask on directly after. Oh my god, my skin was just feeling itself, let me tell you. So if you guys get anything Tony Moly, you're gonna be impressed. Now we have something from Wander Beauty, which is, I'm gonna start calling this Wander Duty because like almost nothing is good, okay, from this brand, like almost nothing. In my opinion, it doesn't work for me. This is the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in Fair Light. Then we also have another one in light medium. Now we have several concealers from Yensa. I'm not going to pop up all the images on the screen, but I'm just going to name off what the shades are. So we have Fair Cool. We also have Light Neutral, Tan Neutral, Medium Warm, and Deep Warm. So these are the options that could be coming in the bag for you. We also have some Tarte lip glosses, the CH2O. I'm also just going to pop one on the screen because honestly, all three of these shades almost look the exact same. So like, what's the point? So we have the lip gloss in Hang 10. And then also Sail Away and Below Deck. So they all literally look the same, like honestly. So I just showed one image for you guys. And then another item from Tarte. This is the Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask in Strawberry Jelly. This is something that I would be interested in receiving because I was using the Agave Plus lip mask from Bite Beauty that some people said dried their lips out more, but for me it actually works really well. So I would love to try this, but I mean I didn't get it in my bag, but if you did, try it. You might love it. Next up is, oh, this is so cute. I wish I got this. The SL Miss Glam Brush in SS57. Oh my god, it looks so cute. The handle looks so cute. I wish I would have gotten this. Anyways, another perfume. This is something that could also be coming in the Ultimate. I'm gonna leave the image up on the screen because I cannot pronounce that to save my life. But yeah, this one didn't sound too yummy when I was reading the notes in my Ultimate video, so we're just gonna skip that. Next up we have the Estate Cosmetics Dreamy Baked Highlighter in Bye. This was actually my choice item. I didn't think, honestly, that the choice items for all three of these boxes were good this month, but this is something that I've been wanting to try. I've heard it's not great for an actual highlighter, but it could be used for like a glow powder, so I'm going to use it as a glow powder, so that's why I chose it, and because I didn't have any other options that were good. Next is the Nails Ink Nail Polish. This is in Lilac Grove, which you guys saw me spoil in one of my spoilers, and then another one in Primrose Walk. And then a third in Camellia Drive. The only shade that I would have actually liked was the Lilac. I didn't get any of these in my box, or in my bag, by the way, but yeah, yeah. Next up, we have something from Fair Brushes. This is the large blender in 25EL. I think the packaging on this is so cute. I love the ombre from a pink all the way to like a darker pink. So cute. Now we have some nail polishes from Sundays. So this does answer my question if this is going to be a deluxe size sample or not, because this is also coming in the Ultimate, and I, you know, don't like nail polishes in my Ultimate. But yeah, this is nail polish in number 8, and then the nail polish in number 6. Both of these are so pretty that you'll be excited to have these in your bags. And again, these are like perfect to have in your $12 bag, but not your box. But then again, this is full size and it retails for $18, which is a high price. So if these do count as full size items in my Ultimate, I'm gonna be like pissed. No, well, I mean, I wouldn't. I didn't actually get them in my Ultimate, but if I were you, I would be mad. But anyways, last item is from Dr. Botanicals. This is the Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Reviving Hydrating Mask. So, you know, we're not really seeing a lot of makeup items. It's mostly skincare, and same goes for the Ultimate. I haven't looked at the Plus yet, but so far I'm just seeing skincare, which honestly, you should not try a lot of skincare at one time because it's just not good for you. Like, I forgot where I heard that, but you're not supposed to keep constantly changing up your skincare. It's, I guess, not good for your face. I don't know where I remember reading that or hearing it, but yeah, so that's just a lot of skincare, a lot. But anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know down below what you're getting in your Ipsy Glam bag. I would love to hear your variation that you got. I personally did not get a very good variation. Again, why we're doing giveaways, because I'm not going to ever use the items, and it would much be better to give away these items than to not use them and whatnot. So definitely stay tuned for the giveaway coming up this month. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next spoiler video. Mwah! Bye!